SHOT Show 2026 didn't just introduce new guns, it forced the shooting community to rethink what a pistol caliber carbine really is. PCCs are no longer budget substitutes or range toys meant to sit below rifles in the hierarchy. This year, we saw ultra-lightweight platforms under 4 pounds, true roller-delayed and short recoil operating systems, folding designs small enough to disappear into a backpack, and even factory-integrated suppressed systems. The real question is not which one looks the coolest, but which PCC actually delivers the best balance of power, controllability, reliability, and real-world usability, especially for older shooters who value low recoil and simple handling. Today, Alpha Gunreview breaks down the top 12 newest PCCs from SHOT Show 2026, ranked from number 12 to number 1 based on overall quality, user preference, and how practical they are for long-term ownership. If you agree or disagree with this ranking, make sure to leave your opinion in the comments, because real experience from the community always matters more than hype. At number 12, we have the Kel-Tec Sub2000 Gen 3, a pistol caliber carbine that is not trying to be refined or competition ready, but instead focuses entirely on portability and emergency utility. Chambered in 9mm and running a straight blowback system, the SUB2000 Gen 3 features a 16-inch barrel, an overall length of about 30.5 inches when extended, and folds down to roughly 16 inches, making it one of the most compact full-length PCCs available. Weighing approximately 4.2 pounds unloaded, it delivers respectable ballistic performance with an effective range of about 75 to 100 yards, ideal for defensive or survival scenarios. The biggest improvement in the Gen 3 is the rotating forend, which allows the rifle to fold completely while keeping an optic mounted and zeroed, solving a long-standing design flaw. However, recoil impulse is sharp due to the heavy bolt traveling close to the shooter's face, which can be uncomfortable for older users or those sensitive to recoil and vibration. Advantages include its extreme portability, Glock magazine compatibility, simple maintenance, and a street price around $500. Disadvantages include harsh recoil, limited ergonomics, and modest accuracy potential. This is not a precision PCC. It is a get-home or truck gun, and for that reason, it earns the number 12 spot. Sitting at number 11 is the CMMGS Dissent MKGS, a PCC that represents a major evolution of the AR-style platform by eliminating the traditional buffer tube entirely. Utilizing CMMG's proprietary radial delayed blowback system, the Dissent MKGS significantly reduces recoil compared to straight blowback designs, resulting in smoother shooting and better control, especially beneficial for older shooters or those with reduced upper body strength. Chambered in 9mm with a 6.5-inch barrel, the rifle has an effective range of approximately 50 to 100 yards, optimized for close quarters use. It weighs just over 5 pounds and balances well at the pistol grip, reducing fatigue during extended shooting sessions. The absence of a buffer tube allows for a true folding stock, dramatically improving storage and transport. It feeds from standard Glock magazines and maintains familiar AR ergonomics, which many shooters already understand. The strengths of this platform are its soft recoil, fast follow-up shots, compact folded size, and excellent build quality. The primary drawback is cost, with prices often exceeding $2,000, placing it out of reach for many users. While it is extremely comfortable to shoot and highly refined, the price-to-performance ratio keeps the CMMGS Dissent MKGS from ranking higher, earning it the number 11 position. At number 10 is the Hi-Point 995P, a pistol caliber carbine that many people love to hate, yet continues to earn respect through sheer reliability and simplicity. Chambered in 9mm and operating on a straight blowback system, the 995P features a 16.25-inch barrel, an overall length of roughly 32 inches, and an unloaded weight of about 6.1 pounds. Its effective range sits comfortably between 75 and 100 yards, making it suitable for home defense, ranch use, or basic training. In terms of raw power, it offers standard 9mm carbine ballistics with improved velocity over pistols. But where this rifle truly shines is durability. The heavy bolt and simple internal design make it extremely forgiving of poor maintenance and low-quality ammunition. For older shooters, recoil is noticeable but predictable, and the mass of the rifle helps soak up some impulse, though the charging handle and ergonomics are not ideal for arthritic hands. Advantages include a threaded barrel for suppressor use, ghost ring sights, full-length Picatinny rail, and a price often under $300, making it one of the most affordable PCCs on the market. Downsides include crude aesthetics, limited aftermarket, heavy trigger, and magazine capacity limitations. The Hi-Point 995P is not refined, not elegant, and not modern, but it works, and for budget-conscious users or older shooters who value mechanical simplicity above all else, it earns its place at number 10. Taking the number 9 position is the PSA Jackal 9, a modern PCC that blends European subgun reliability with familiar American ergonomics. Chambered in 9mm and built around a robust monolithic aluminum upper, the Jackal 9 uses a refined blowback system and features a 6.5-inch barrel, keeping the overall length compact while maintaining excellent handling. Unloaded weight is approximately 5.8 pounds, with balance centered near the grip, making it comfortable for extended use and particularly manageable for older shooters. The effective range is best between 50 and 100 yards, where accuracy and controllability shine. One of the defining characteristics is its use of CZ Scorpion magazines, known for their durability and smooth feeding, which many users actually prefer over Glock mags. The Jackal lower accepts standard AR triggers, grips, and stocks, allowing easy customization without specialized tools. Recoil is sharper than roller-delayed systems, but still manageable, especially with proper stance. Advantages include excellent build quality, strong aftermarket compatibility, ambidextrous side charging handle, and a price range of approximately $850 to $1,000. Disadvantages include limited magazine cross-compatibility and slightly higher recoil compared to delayed systems. Overall, the PSA Jackal 9 offers strong performance, solid reliability, and good ergonomics, earning it the number 9 spot as a practical, well-balanced PCC. At number 8 sits the H&R DOE 9mm, a pistol-caliber carbine that prioritizes historical authenticity and character over modern modularity. Inspired by the Colt 633 used by Department of Energy security teams in the 1980s, this PCC runs a straight blowback system with a 7.5-inch barrel and an overall length of approximately 26 inches. Weighing in around 6 pounds, it delivers classic 9mm performance with an effective range of about 50 to 75 yards, ideal for close quarters and range use. The rifle feeds from Colt pattern straight magazines, which are reliable but less common than Glock or Scorpion mags. Its fixed carry handle, triangular handguard, and A1-style sights create a nostalgic shooting experience that many enthusiasts value highly. For older shooters, recoil is moderate, but the limited ergonomics, fixed sights, and higher bore access can make extended sessions less comfortable. A modern advantage is the threaded barrel, allowing suppressor use without modifying the platform. Downsides include limited optic mounting options, reduced customization, and a niche role compared to newer designs. With pricing generally above $1,000, the H&R DOE 9mm is not a practical choice for everyone, but for collectors and shooters who value history and style alongside reliable performance, it confidently claims the number 8 position. At number 7 is the Matador Arms MAT-9, a PCC that fundamentally changes what shooters expect from the AR platform by bringing true roller-delayed blowback technology to a modular, accessible format. Chambered in 9mm, the MAT-9 is a monolithic upper receiver with a 5.5-inch barrel designed to drop directly onto a standard AR-15 lower, eliminating the need for a buffer tube and allowing the use of folding stocks or braces. Unloaded weight is approximately 4.9 pounds depending on configuration, and the compact size keeps the overall length under 24 inches with a folded stock. Effective range is best between 50 and 100 yards, where the roller delayed system truly shines by reducing recoil impulse and muzzle rise. Compared to straight blowback PCCs, the MAT-9 feels significantly softer and smoother, making it much more manageable for older shooters or anyone sensitive to sharp recoil. It feeds from Glock magazines using a compatible lower or mag adapter and uses standard AR fire control components, which simplifies maintenance and customization. Advantages include excellent recoil control, fast follow-up shots, modern charging handle design, and strong parts compatibility. Downsides include higher cost compared to basic PCCs and the need for a properly set up lower receiver. With pricing typically around $1,300 to $1,600 for the upper, the MAT-9 earns its number 7 ranking by delivering premium shooting characteristics without forcing users into a proprietary ecosystem. Sitting at number 6 is the ZEV Magpul FDP9, one of the most compact and lightweight PCC-style platforms introduced at SHOT Show 2026. Weighing an incredibly light 3.25 pounds unloaded, the FDP9 blurs the line between a pistol and a carbine while still delivering carbine-level stability. Chambered in 9mm and feeding from standard Glock magazines, it features a 7.1-inch barrel and a folding design that collapses to just over 10.7 inches in length, allowing it to fit into small bags or vehicle compartments with ease. The effective range is realistically 25 to 75 yards, where its compact size and stability outperform traditional pistols. Recoil is mild due to its ergonomics and solid lockup, making it surprisingly controllable even for older shooters, although the compact controls may require familiarity. Advantages include extreme concealability, fully ambidextrous controls, reliable folding mechanism that retains zero, and magazine commonality. Disadvantages include a premium price estimated around $1,800 to $2,000 and limited rail space for accessories. The FDP9 excels in discreet carry and rapid deployment scenarios, and its unique balance of size and performance secures it the number 6 position. And number 5 are the Power Stribog SP45A3 and SP10A3, two PCCs that stand out by rejecting the idea that 9mm is always enough. Chambered in 45 ACP and 10mm auto respectively, both models utilize a roller-delayed blowback system with 8-inch threaded barrels, allowing them to deliver significantly higher terminal performance while maintaining controllability. Unloaded weight is approximately 5.5 to 6 pounds, and effective range is best between 50 and 100 yards. The SP10A3 in particular delivers impressive power, with 10mm ballistics approaching magnum-level energy from a carbine-length barrel, making it suitable for home defense or hog control. For older shooters, the roller-delayed system is critical as it smooths recoil into a manageable push rather than a sharp snap. Advantages include strong stopping power, modern ergonomics, non-reciprocating charging handles, and full M-LOK support. Downsides include heavier magazines, proprietary magazine designs, and higher ammunition cost. With prices typically ranging from $1,100 to $1,400, these Stribog models earn their number 5 ranking by offering real power without sacrificing shootability. At number 4 is the Nemo Arms Mongoose, a PCC built for shooters who believe engineering should solve problems, not compromise around them. Chambered in 9mm, the Mongoose uses a true short recoil operating system rather than blowback or delayed blowback, dramatically reducing reciprocating mass and creating one of the flattest shooting PCCs available. It features a 5.8-inch barrel, folds down to approximately 13.7 inches, and weighs an astonishingly light 3.6 pounds unloaded, making it easier to handle than many full-size pistols. Effective range is best between 50 and 100 yards, where rapid follow-up shots and minimal muzzle rise shine. The integrated front compensator further tames recoil, resulting in excellent control even for older shooters with limited strength or joint issues. It feeds from CZ Scorpion magazines and uses familiar AR-style controls, reducing the learning curve. Advantages include ultra-low recoil, outstanding balance, compact folding design, and competition-level performance. Downsides include a premium price often exceeding $2,000 and limited availability. The Mongoose earns the number 4 spot because it proves that with enough innovation, a 9mm PCC can outperform expectations in every measurable way. At number 3 is the Zenith ZF-56, a platform that takes legendary MP5 roller delayed heritage and modernizes it into a truly versatile system. While initially released in 5.56, Zenith has confirmed upcoming 9mm, 10mm, and 300 blackout variants, all built around the same robust roller-delayed operating system. The 9mm configuration is expected to feature a barrel length around 8 to 12 inches depending on model, an overall length exceeding compact subguns, and an unloaded weight around 7 pounds, making it the heaviest PCC on this list. However, that weight translates into exceptional stability and soft recoil, especially appreciated by older shooters who prefer smooth shooting over ultra-light platforms. Effective range comfortably reaches 100 yards with excellent accuracy. Advantages include last round bolt hold open, full-length Picatinny rail, modern M-LOK handguard, and AR magazine compatibility in certain configurations. Downsides include high cost, heavier weight, and reduced portability compared to folding PCCs. The Zenith ZF-56 ranks at number 3 because it delivers unmatched mechanical refinement and modularity for shooters who want MP5 smoothness without outdated ergonomics. Sitting at number 2 is the B&T KH-9 SD, a pistol-caliber carbine designed from the ground up for suppressed performance and absolute discretion. Chambered in 9mm, the KH-9 SD features a 4.3-inch ported barrel integrated with a factory suppressor that reduces standard ammunition to subsonic velocities, eliminating the need for specialized loads. The overall length remains extremely compact, with an unloaded weight of approximately 4.8 pounds and an effective range of 50 to 75 yards. Despite using a straight blowback system, the rifle shoots surprisingly smooth due to its mass distribution and tuned internals, making it manageable even for older shooters. One unique advantage is its compatibility with Suomi drum and coffin magazines, allowing capacities up to 50 rounds. Downsides include extremely limited production, high price often exceeding $3,000, and restricted availability. The KH-9 SD earns the number 2 spot because no other PCC on the market delivers this level of integrated suppression, balance, and historical character in such a compact package. At number 1 is the Angstadt MDP-9 Gen 2, the PCC that finally brings together every feature shooters have been asking for without forcing compromise. Chambered in 9mm and running a refined roller-delayed blowback system, the MDP-9 Gen 2 eliminates the buffer tube entirely while maintaining AR fire control compatibility and Glock magazine support. It features a 5.85-inch barrel, an overall length of approximately 14 inches when folded, and an unloaded weight of just 3.7 pounds. Effective range is best between 50 and 100 yards, with recoil characteristics remarkably similar to the MP5, but in a much lighter and more modular package. For older shooters, this rifle stands out due to its soft recoil, excellent balance, simple controls, and reduced physical strain during extended use. Advantages include outstanding reliability, proven endurance testing, AR trigger compatibility, compact folding design, and broad magazine availability. Downsides are minimal, with price being the primary factor at approximately $1,800 to $2,200. The Angstadt MDP-9 Gen 2 earns the number 1 ranking because it delivers the best overall balance of performance, usability, innovation, and real-world practicality of any PCC introduced at SHOT Show 2026. SHOT Show 2026 proved that pistol-caliber carbines are no longer secondary options, but purpose-built tools capable of excelling where traditional rifles fall short. From budget-friendly workhorses to engineering masterpieces, today's PCC market offers solutions for nearly every shooter, regardless of age or experience level. The real question now is simple. If you had to choose one of these PCCs tonight, which would you trust your safety with, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments, share your real-world experience, and if you found this breakdown useful, support the channel by subscribing for more honest, experience-driven reviews. This is Alpha Gunreview, and we will see you in the next one.